Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the theme of your Nintendo Switch between dark and light mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of the Switch, open up System Settings. Scroll down the System Settings and tap on Themes. You can now switch between Basic White and Basic Black. Basic Black is like dark mode and is easier on the eyes. Basic White is like light mode and is easier to see but can be quite bright to look at night. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.